when we multiply and divide numbers together, the final answer can only be written to the fewest number of significant figures as the individual measurements have. So it's sort of the weakest link here. So let's have an example. 3.84 times 12.01 times by 0.0098. So again, our calculator would give a number, and that number is something like 0.4519632. Of course, our calculator doesn't know that the significant figure rules are applicable here. So we have to go ahead and figure this out ourselves. So 3.84, all those digits are non-zero, so that has 3 significant figures. 12.01, the 1, the 2, and the 1 are definitely significant. That 0 is captive, so that has 4. And if we look at 0.0098, the 9 and the 8 definitely are. Zeros at the front are never significant, no matter if there's a decimal point or not. So that implies that this measurement here is the worst. And so our final answer should be written out to 2 significant figures to match. So the 0 is not significant at the front of a number. So there's the 4, there's the 5. And we are going to lop off all the other numbers. Now we are lopping off a 1, and if you remember from the rounding rules, if we lop off a 5 or higher, we've got to round up. But if we lop off a 4 or lower, we can basically leave alone. So the final answer here would be 0.45. And to make sure that we've considered the number of significant figures, we probably need to write next to the final number 2 significant figures, just to show we were paying attention.